Okay. Okay, guys. You need to follow the instructions. Yeah. Remember our concept and our theme. Don't forget the theme. The instructions are: you have to save your balloons from each other. Come on, quickly. That is okay. That side is okay. You can use this side. Come on. Energy. Some energy. You can catch the person. Appraisal is not over. You can catch the person. You can catch the person.
Time over.
You can catch.
Please do not think that he is your superior. Please do what is right.
पकड़ सकते हो आप लोग.
अरे पकड़ो उसको और छोड़ो यार.
पकड़ सकते हो.
किसी का दिया है वो. नहीं.
Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute more. Only 1 minute more. 1 more minute. 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
25 seconds.
25 seconds. 20 seconds.
20 seconds.
15 seconds. 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
5,
4,
3,
2.
1.
Gather all together.
Okay, come back. Everybody energized? Had a good run? I'm sure the food is digested.
We need food again.
You need? Okay, come close. Sir is saying we need food again. Okay, now how many of you tried to burst someone's balloon? Tried to. Okay. How many of you were successful in bursting someone's balloon? Successful. How many of you were successful in bursting someone's balloon? Okay. How many of you could not burst anybody's balloon? Could not burst. You tried but you could not burst.
No.
How many of you tried? How many of you tried but you could not burst?
अपने ही बचाते रहे.
How many of you did not try bursting anybody's balloon? Did not try. Did not try. Okay. Why you didn't try?
अपने आप को बचाना है, दूसरे को नीचा नहीं करना है.
Did I ever say you have to burst each other's balloons? I never said that you have to burst each other's balloons. I just said that you have to save your balloons from each other. And what did we do? Okay. So now, that's fine. It was deliberate to trick you. Yes, but there are a lot of learnings from this exercise. Yeah. So considering that we are a winning team and we went through this exercise, what do you think you learned? What do you think you learned as a team?
It increases appetite.
One person at a time. Yeah.
One thing is you have to save the balloon, you have to save it, but you also have to defend your balloon from others.
Correct.
Other thing is that sometimes you have to run around.
Okay. Fine.
You have to focus on your
You have a toothpick and it's very tempting to burst a balloon. But it's very it's not
We all have toothpicks in office. And we all have the capability of bursting someone's balloon. Yeah? And that toothpick is the power that you have. Now, how are you using that toothpick depends upon the mindset that we carry. Are we looking at winning together or are we looking at winning individually? And if we are looking at winning individually, do you think can we win individually? Is that possible?
No.
Exactly. Yeah. What else? Sir was saying something.
I was thinking one of the bigger points was understand what is expected.
Exactly. Understand what is expected. So what was to be done to avoid this situation? What could you have done?
Nobody would have tried to burst anyone. Save their balloons.
Yes, but the human mind is made in such a way that the moment something touches any of your senses, your instant response is not a response but a reaction. Very few people on this earth are able to respond rather than react. Here in this situation, we instantly reacted. How could this have been avoided? How could this situation have been avoided?
Everyone's balloon could have been saved, I believe, without even trying to burst it.
But that was not possible, no? Because the moment one person started, it became like a group thing, and everybody started bursting each other's balloons. So what could have been done?
Maybe somebody would have directed, that not
Somebody has to lead and say get together. We have one objective.
Correct, but in this scenario where you have just few seconds, before you react, how could you stop this entire cascading of impact happening?
Listen
Communicate,
carefully.
right?
And how do you listen carefully?
Concentrate.
How? By doing what?
Asking questions also, right?
As simple as that. The simple process of communication, which is a two-way process, could have been activated, and one of you could have just asked, what do you mean? And someone here I actually saw was thinking, and he was in two minds, what this person is saying, what am I saying, and what has to be done. But before that person could do anything, we just got into a frenzy. So what do you think would be a quality of a winning team from this exercise? A good quality of a winning team? Ask questions. What else?
Clarify. So you understand.
Clarify. Yes, sir? Communication. Good communication. And what does good communication mean?
Clear communication.
What does good communication mean?
What is understood by the other person actually. Change the mindset.
So what do you need to do first? Listen. Yeah. So a good communicator is always a good listener and not a good talker. Yeah. The human tendency is actually to talk first. And we all want to always share whatever is there in our minds first. But a good communicator and someone where the entire organization is a winning organization would have the patience to listen. Yeah? And there is a very small, minute difference between response and reaction. How do we stop reacting when we are working together and get into a response mode? What do you think can be done?
Better understanding.
How? So one was by asking question, but before asking the question, what could have been done?
Just wait. Just wait and understand.
Exactly. There is a certain gap between stimulus and response. And there is constant stimulus and response which keeps happening in our office life, in our personal lives, in our interactions with people around, in our interactions with our customers, with our friends, with our vendors, with our peers, with our subordinates. If you are able to elongate that time between response and reaction, response and stimulus, you will start responding to situations. Yeah. So which means that every time anything is happening around you, rather than just jumping into it and taking a step ahead, preferably would be to take a step back. Pause. Just pause. Just hold on. Just let some time pass till your brain starts thinking more logically rather than getting hijacked. Correct? Anything else before we move ahead? Anybody wants to share anything?
We're all taking a pause now.
All taking a pause now. Okay, fine.
One more thing.
Fine.
The person who is saving his own balloon has no time to take another balloon.
Yes. Yes. That's a good point. And another very important point for a winning team is that suppose someone has burst your balloon. Yeah. Suppose you have a colleague who every day comes in the morning and keeps bursting your balloon. Suppose you have a boss who keeps bursting your balloon. Suppose you have a subordinate who keeps bursting your balloon. Is it necessary that you reciprocate by bursting his? No. Then what's the difference between us and him? And how will you be able to change that environment and inculcate a better culture if we just keep on bursting each other's balloons? And this happens, right? It happens across. It's very human. But yes, we have the power to stop it by just responding to situations. So now our next activity is going to be very, very interesting.